First, put some gloves on. Then prep area with cleanser. I apply it with a 2x2. I apply powder too. Help with oils and moisture for wax. Can have the best grip. A close-up so you can see the stacked hairs. Apply small amount of wax with hair growth. Be sure to hold skin taut, applying and pulling strip. Add pressure as soon as you pull strip off to soothe area. For cleanup strip, apply wax against hair growth. Don't forget holding skin taut and following with pressure after strip pull. Look at those hairs. Repeat the same on opposite side. Pull skin taut and follow with pressure. Cleanup strips will be opposite direction and or up or down. This is personal preference, but I like doing my bottom lip. Once fully done, finish with some aloe or aloe vera to help soothe any redness. Hope this helps you. Let me know what else you'd like to see.